CruzTOOLS. Everything you need and nothing you don't.
Ian here with CruzTOOLS, and this is the RoadTech KT1 kit. This is specific for KTM model bikes. Let's open this kit up and see what's inside. The RoadTech kits are the most comprehensive provided by CruzTOOLS. They include all the bells and whistles that you might need for a trailside or roadside repair. This kit includes electrical tape, a 1/4-inch drive ratchet with a short extension and 3 sockets, star drivers, Loctite, a 6-in-1 screwdriver and nut driver tool, Allen drivers, zip ties, baling wire, a tire pressure gauge, locking pliers, an adjustable wrench, 3 combination wrenches, and an axle wrench in a 32 and 27 millimeter size. This KTM specific RoadTech toolkit brings you professional grade tools at consumer friendly prices. All of these tools are covered by our lifetime guarantee and our no questions asked warranty. With CruzTOOLS, you can fix it.
CruzTOOLS. You can fix it.